Welcome back, guys. In this video we are going to be creating the thank you page. As you can see, so when our customer comes to our sales page and then goes through the sales page and successfully places an order, after filling up the order form that we are going to put here, after filling up this order form, they are supposed to land on the thank you page. They are supposed to land on the thank you page, where you are simply, after placing their order on your order form, you've received that order in your email and is also on your dashboard. Then you need to land them here on the landing page so that they can see that their order has been placed successfully. So what you want them to do here is to message you on WhatsApp. So you're going to drop a link here. If the link, click on this link, it is going to direct them to your WhatsApp inbox, where they are going to just come with a message that they've placed an order. Then you can now go to your email and check out that order and process it for delivery. Probably send it to your delivery agent, or if you want to deliver it yourself, fine. But you need to see the order placed in your email so that you can now respond to that customer and know, because the order in your email is going to carry their details, their information, their address, the color they want, and all that. So you can now copy that details and be able to interact with them on WhatsApp to confirm the order and know and process the delivery. So you want them to click on this link that will bring them to your WhatsApp, and then of course you tell them more information about the delivery, that is going to take about 2 days to come to them and all that. So here is now where you want to put a link that will lead them to your home page, because throughout the journey you've taken them through the sales page without them looking at your home page or seeing any other thing. Now they've successfully placed an order and landed to your thank you page. So you have achieved two different things here. Number one is that you have you have actually made them place an order, you've received an order, you've made a sale. Obviously, they've placed an order on your site. And then secondly, you've been able to teach them how to navigate your site through that sales page. They've seen how the site is. So if they go to your home page now, they'll be able to find their way. They already know how to, navigate through the product page and place an order. So in case they want to buy something else here, they now know how to go about it. But the good thing is that they've already placed an order on your site. This is amazing. So now you can put your website, your homepage link here for them. It's like an upsell. Or if there's another product you want to show them, you can put the link here. So once they place an order and land on this thank you page, yeah, they're going to see before they click here, definitely they want to read around and see, click on this link to now view that particular product you want to sell, upsell to them, or go to your homepage to see. I've had countless persons who placed an order and then later told me that they also placed an order for another item on my website, that they also want something else, and then those things will be packaged and delivered to them. So this is an amazing way of actually linking your homepage. But if you don't want to link your homepage, then it's fine. You can, some people don't even bother creating homepage, they just create different sales pages to sell different products, and they are fine. Okay, so if that's what you want, you can actually, you already know how to design all of these things. I'm going to drop a template of this thank you page. As you can see, I didn't build it from scratch, I just imported it. Though you can build it from scratch, see, I built it with Elementor, as you can see. So you're going to import it. I'm going to give you the template. I already showed you how to import template. All right, so you're going to import this template, just change the things you need to change the logo. Do that. I'll just come to pages, I'll create a new page. So this is going to be the thank you page. This is going to be your thank you page. Then you just want to make sure it's also Elementor canvas. So you want to make sure it's also Elementor canvas so that it doesn't lead them to any other particular page except where you want them to go to. So here you're going to click on publish it again. Then we're going to edit with Elementor. So here we'll have a blank sheet. We're just simply going to import that template for thank you page. So we are just going to edit it. So I already have the thank you page template. So I'm going to drop it. You're going to access it in the material section. Just get this. You see the thank you page. So when you click on this particular place, click here, then you have it here. Then you come here, come to this import template, click on import template. Then we're going to import this is the thank you page template. I'm going to open, then I'm going to import it. So right here it's imported. I am just going to insert it. Click on insert, click on apply. Here, here you go. Here you go. So we have our thank you page imported and everything looks good. So all you need to do is just to customize it. It's Elementor. You can click any part to change it. This is not our logo. So we need to put our logo here. We just come here and select our own logo. Put our logo here. This is not our logo, right? So, but this logo is not having we can just go to Canva and download the one that has our background. So I just come to Canva and download the logo without a background. So I'll highlight everything here, group, then I'll just download this section. So I don't want to download with a background. I'll use a transparent background. Download. So we'll come back to our website. So this is it. We'll change it again. Then we'll bring in the one we just downloaded without a background. So we'll bring in the one we downloaded without a background, and we'll put it here. As you can see, it fits perfectly. So thank you for your order. Congratulations. Then this is just the element edit progress bar. So this is the progress bar element. It is there on your element. You can just search for progress bar and then set it to, this is the progress bar. You set it to anything you want. So it's 95% complete. It means that once they confirm their order, now once they click on this button, it is going to become 100%, something like that. But once they click the button, it will lead them to your WhatsApp, so they won't even see anything. So your order has been placed. Okay, good. So this is just a GIF that I downloaded and uploaded here. Everything here is so easy. You can edit them. See, you can just change the image. uh then this is, click here to, so this is your WhatsApp. You put your WhatsApp number here. Click here to download your click here. So when you click here, you put the link you want them to go to here. So I'm going to show you how to get this link. All right, so you just come to Google and type WhatsApp link. It's going to bring up a lot of options for you. You can use any one of your choice. All right, so let me try this first one. Click on create WhatsApp link. You can see link. Yeah, this is link. So create a free WhatsApp link. You click this one. Open WhatsApp chat without saving contacts. Okay, here, create WhatsApp link with custom message for free. So this is the one we want. Create WhatsApp link. So click on this one. So here you're just going to put your WhatsApp number. Okay, put your WhatsApp number. This is your WhatsApp number, right? Good. So remove these first three. So here you put your WhatsApp number the way it is. Great. So here you're just going to put the message you want them to come to your inbox with. So this will help you to know which particular because in case you have different products you're running ads for, it will help you to know which particular product. Though when they come to your inbox, so you just put a message that relates to that product. Maybe you're selling a smartwatch and you're selling another product. So you definitely want to be like, thank you for, they are the one coming with the message to confirm their order. So they will be like, so good. So this is what they will come to your inbox with. When they click on that link, it will come, hello Elliot, I want to confirm my order for the smartwatch promo. So this will now let you know that this is coming from smartwatch, right? So this is how it's going to be. When the person messages you, you're going to see their number, you're going to see this message. This will tell you that you've gotten an order for the smartwatch, right? So you just click on generate link. It has generated the link for you. This is your link. So just simply copy the link, copy link. Then you go back to your thank you page. This is your thank you page. Then this is the link you want them to click. Click on that link, then come here and paste that link you've just created. So once they click on this, they are going to land on your inbox. So this is the link. Once they click on this particular confirm your order, it is going to lead them to your WhatsApp with that message. And then you're going to know that someone has placed an order here. This is amazing. It's really cool. Then here you have some information, telling them about the order and all that. So you can actually edit all of these things. You can just click on anyone and change. If you can deliver their order in 1 week, you put it here, whatever, just any information you want to tell them. Then if you want to lead them to your home page, you can just click here and then go to your home page. This is our home page, of course, or you can bring them to your product page. This is our home page. I think it's better they come to the home page and see other product themselves. This will also help to build trust because they will read more testimonies here and all that. They can also contact us directly. So we'll just copy the link to our home page. Make sure it has the HTTPS. Then we'll copy it. Come back to this and then paste it here. Great. So when they click on this, it's going to take them to our main page. So we are going to edit this to our own name. This is amazing. So this is fully customized. We can now use it as our own thank you page. All right. So we need hit on publish. Once we hit on publish, this has been published and it is now live on our website. This is great. So make sure you have this thank you page. It is very important to bring your customers here to thank them for placing an order and giving them further instructions on what to do. So in the next video, we are going to be creating our order form, because when they come to our sales page, they will need to place their order. That order form is what's going to bring them to this thank you page. Thank you for watching. So let's create the order form in the next video.